Harry Potter and the Mysterious Ticking Noise. Just the mysterious ticking noise. That over there. That over there. Quite catchy. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
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 Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus Snape.
Hermione.
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Guys, we did the thing without TJ.
Hey guys, how'd you like that? Credits go to. We have Kyle, webcam. Good job, Kyle. We have me as Snape. We have come on here. Kevin as your tick noise maker. Then we have Nikki here. Then we have Nikki here as Voldemort. Then we have Hannah as Harry Potter. We have Catherine as Hermione. Then we have Sammy here as Ron. Then we have Danielle as Voldemort.
What's up?
No, Danielle is Dumbledore. Thanks everybody so much.